To take you guys behind the scenes of doing the perfect TikTok. I'm going to give you guys some really cool strategy behind the scenes of how to do this one. I have not done the perfect TikTok, meaning I haven't gotten a successful achievement of it yet. I may start a little bit smaller, but we'll see kind of what happens. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is open up notepads. This is, I don't know what the equivalent of a notepad is for Androids. You're going to open up notepads. There, you're going to create a notepad, like a sheet basically, and then you're going to type in what you want. So if you have the latest updates on your phone, you'll notice that you can type in the perfect TikTok at the very top and then add in bullet points for everything that you want just by going down the row. So for example, mine says, Holly Madison sorts me into an HP house. The home edit comments about my bookshelves. Dante Bosco, he's Rufio, comments bangarang. Tyra Banks roasts me in the comments. The greatest football team in the NFL comments. The most current musical artist comments. 3 million views, 386,000 likes, 100,000 shares. Now, there's a couple things that I did, and like I said, mine hasn't come to complete fruition yet. It still could. We'll see what happens. There's a few pieces of strategy that I implemented here. The first being there's small wins in the chat. For example, if you don't have a bunch of verified followers, like maybe make it, 5 verified followers comment below. But I did Holly Madison sorts me into an HP house because Holly Madison does follow me and she's obsessed with Harry Potter. So I thought that would be an easy win. Then we have the home edit comments about my bookshelves. I've got awesome bookshelves that are inspired by the home edit basically. And then the home edit follows me. So I thought that would be an easy win. And then I went for a couple more. For example, I wanted people to argue it out. The greatest football team in the NFL comments. And so I put some that are up for debate. But basically you're gonna sketch it all out inside of the notepad on your iPhone. Like I said, I don't know what the equivalent is for an Android. You're gonna screenshot it, and then you're gonna go to your pictures, grab the screenshot, cool, and you're gonna edit it, okay? Edit, sorry, it's hard to do all this. And then crop it in real tight, okay? So crop the pic. So see how that's nice and tight in there? There's not a ton of extra space. We're gonna hit done. And then you're gonna find someone who's done the perfect TikTok. For example, me, I did it today. And you're gonna make sure that you grab the sound. I'm gonna click on the sound. When you click on the sound, the spinning wheel at the bottom of the perfect TikTok, it will also usually give you the effects that they're using, which is kind of nice. So go to use the sound. And it's going to pop up the effect already. It's really nice. So it's going to pop up the effect that's already there for you. By the way, if you're already learning something, this is kind of cool. So anytime that someone is using an effect and you want to use that effect, make sure that you click on the sound at the bottom of their video and it will auto let you use the sound and also populate the effect on your screen. So then from there, you're gonna notice that there's a bunch of pictures from your camera roll that you can use. I'm gonna pull up the one that I just edited. And this one is called, I think it's like 3D green screen box. And then what you can do is resize it, make it small, make it medium, put it wherever you want. Da-da-da. And that is how you get everything started. And then you record the perfect TikTok and then wait for people to comment. It's kind of fun. It's exciting. If you learned something new, make sure to comment below, like this video. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to subscribe. I know you guys will enjoy this quite a bit.